In today's video, I'm going to show you how to customize Todoist themes and appearance so you can make the app look exactly the way you want. Whether you prefer a clean dark mode, a brighter color, or one of Todoist's premium theme options, this quick tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Todoist and look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile avatar there. Click on your profile avatar to open the account menu. This is where Todoist keeps your personal settings, app preferences, and appearance options. Once the menu opens, find and click Settings. That will take you into Todoist's main settings area, where you can control different parts of the app. Inside Settings, look for the Theme tab and click it. The Theme section is where all of the appearance options are stored, so this is the place you need to be if you want to change how Todoist looks. Now you'll see a list of available themes. If you're using the free version of Todoist, you'll have access to options like Todoist Red, Dark, Moonstone, and Tangerine. These free themes are a great way to give the app a fresh look without needing a paid plan. If you want a cleaner workspace, Dark can help reduce eye strain. If you want something a little brighter or more colorful, Moonstone or Tangerine may be a better fit. Go ahead and click the theme you want, and Todoist should update the appearance right away so you can preview it instantly. If you're a premium user, you'll unlock additional pro themes as well. These include options like kale, blueberry, lavender, and raspberry. These extra themes give you even more ways to personalize Todoist and match the app to your style. Just select the one you prefer, and the interface will change automatically. Take a moment to compare a few different themes until you find the one that feels best for your workflow. Sometimes, a small visual change can make the app feel much more comfortable and easier to use every day. And that's it. You've now learned how to customize Todoist themes and appearance in just a few clicks. It's a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in how you experience the app. If this tutorial helped you out, please like this video and subscribe for more quick tips, app guides, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.